whenever I have an error on my workflow, I'll get a message of that error along with the execution link and my workflow name on my Telegram bot. All right, let me show you how it works in each node. The first node is the error trigger. The error trigger pull out the errors from the workflows. When I click fetch test event, I will get the link of the execution from the workflow and the error message, and then the workflow's name. The other informations are not important for me right now. That's why we added this sit node to pull out only or drag and drop only the error message, the workflow name, and the URL. The third node is the Telegram node. We will get the message from our Telegram bot. If you haven't created your Telegram bot before, just go through my videos and you will find a video where I explain how to create your first bot. Right now, I'll execute this step and then I will get the notification or the message on my Telegram bot. As you can see, it's an example message because we don't have any error in any of my workflows. So the object is, of course, the workflow name. The example error message is the error message. And then we got the link. So when we click this link, we'll go directly to the execution in the workflow so that we could debug our workflow, of course. All right, let's get to it. So this is the workflow I will be working with. It's an AI Gmail classifier. I will run an example of an error. For example, if I disconnect my AI chat model and execute the workflow, we will get an error. All right, let's go to the other workflow and execute the workflow. And let's see the message I will get on my Telegram. So if I see the Telegram node output, I will find only an example. As you can see, it's object, example, error message. Nothing. We received nothing. So what we should do is go to the Gmail workflow. In the settings, let's see if our error handler is connected. So we got the error handler, but it is not connected. Why? Because I think the error handling workflow is not published. Let's publish the workflow and go back to our Gmail workflow settings. Let me close it and go to the settings again. Now you will find the error handler connected. Let's click on save and execute the workflow again. But still, we got only an example message. Why? Because the Gmail workflow should be published again. But due to our disconnected AI chat model, we cannot publish our workflow. All right, let's stop the execution and I will publish the workflow. Now I will go to my Gmail account and delete this label so that we could receive an error. And then I will go and send myself an email. After I send to myself an email, I should go to the executions and check. I'm in the error handling workflow. So I think we received the error message. As you can see, we got the error message along with the workflow name and the error message and the link of the error. So when I click the link, I'll go directly to the execution, as you can see. So the error is in the miscellaneous node because it doesn't exist. Now we could just debug directly in the workflow. Right, as you can see, this is how the error handling workflow or the error trigger works. Whenever we got an error from a published workflow, we receive it through the Telegram bot. And this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.